Aloha everybody, welcome back. Mahalo for watching. My name is Gabe. We are looking at Kupono Street, the lava that covered Kupono Street. And this is how they will repair the road. They'll just use a bulldozer and crush down the rock and move it. And we're looking kind of at fissure 9. I know there was a fissure right in the middle of Kupono Street in Leilani Estates. But this is how they will repair the road. I know a lot of my viewers were asking, how are they going to repair the lava that has covered the road and repair these roads? Well, this is how they'll do it. Pretty cool, huh? Working. It's 2:15 in the afternoon. You can see how much they've done so far from earlier in the day. I think that other video, the other clip was shot at 9:30. So you can see quite a bit has been accomplished. And you see all the steam and the SO2 from the fissures. Isn't that crazy? This is a crazy work environment. Pretty cool. They're getting this road completed or repaired on Kupono Street. Look at that. Awesome. This is fissure 8. And we're on Kupono Street on the other side of the construction. I'm at my buddy Gary's house and I'm going to be helping with the yard work, but my machete needs sharpening. This is the Condor Eco Parang, made in El Salvador. It's a great machete. They're only $40. I'll provide a link in the description box if you want to buy one of these. And I will be using a leather strop and a Volcano DC4 to sharpen it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the stone. There's two sides to the stone. This is the diamond side. This is the ceramic side. So I'm going to take the diamond side, lay the blade flat. This is the rougher side, so this is how you want to start sharpening. And this is going to be a convex edge, and I'll show you what that is in a second. So basically, lay it flat on the stone. Let's get this focused. Focus. And then I raise it up like this, just a little bit. Do small circles. Like that, all the way to the tip. Bring it back around. Be real careful with your fingers. Just like that. Small circles. Do that once or twice. Flip it over. Like this. Small circles. Do this a couple times on each side. Each side like that. And take it on the ceramic side, do the same thing. Small circles. Put it over a couple times. On each side, you want to do this. There you go. Okay, so that is pretty sharp right now, but we're going to give it a convex edge with a leather strop. So I'm going to switch camera angles and show you how to use the leather strop. The leather strop is just a thin piece of leather on a paddle, and this has stropping compound. Black stropping jeweler's compound. You can use it to polish jewelry or to strop a knife, and basically what this is going to do is going to create a convex edge. And so what that means is the edge goes all the way up the blade, kind of in a convex shape. So basically I laid this flat, put the blade on it flat like that, tilt it up to about that degree, slide it across the strop, bring it up like that. So it's basically flat, bring it up to an angle, go like that. And this will make it a razor sharp edge. And convex edge is stronger than your normal beveled edge, and it's easier to maintain. And it's like a razor. Lay it flat, bring it up. The blade's a little rusty, I gotta clean it. I brought it by the ocean the other day, but right now I'll clean it by using it. Best way to clean a blade is to use it. This is a hollow tree that's been basically killed by acid rain and SO2. We're basically 300 yards from Fissure 8. And some of my viewers were wondering why in one of my other videos I cut this down, or one of these down, with a machete. Well, if you've ever used a chainsaw on one of these, you'll understand. It's very fibrous and it will gum up the chain very quickly. So a machete is just easier, and there's lots of stuff around here, so I don't want to, cut anything accidentally with the chainsaw. So here we go. I'll show you how I cut a lahala, or lahala is the leaf, but actually it's called a hala tree. I don't know exactly what species this is. I don't think it's the one that's really good for weaving. It's kind of a junk one, but you can tell it's pretty much dead. I'm going to cut it out with a machete. Easy, safe, no noise, no fumes, machete time. Best thing to cut hollow with is a portable sawzall. chainsaw would get all bound up. The fibers would bind this all up. Some of my viewers were asking what we're going to do with all this plant material. We're just going to compost it. You can't burn here. Can't have a big fire. And you probably wouldn't want to because you might catch the forest on fire. But this will be good compost and it'll make dirt. And this area does not have a whole lot of dirt, so more dirt the merrier. Because I'm telling you, the ground here is so fresh. I mean, this homestead was built on a lava flow that was only 150, 200 years old. So you'd be lucky to have 6 inches of soil. We're going to compost this pile of yard waste and gather all the dead palm fronds and dead plants and pile it up and compost it. And in a couple years it'll be good dirt, maybe less, because you can add chicken manure to speed up the process, and you can cover it, maybe in a year and a half, probably 2 years, you'll be able to scoop some dirt, have some really good dirt to use for potting soil and whatnot. Looks like it's gonna rain today. It's been raining, sprinkling off and on. Hardly any SO2. I don't smell any SO2. But it just seems like there's a rain cloud hanging over Leilani. Yeah, well, it's good to work in the yard with the rain cloud over you, as long as it's not raining. And it's fairly hot. No SO2, nice breeze. It's a beautiful day to work in the yard. Okay everybody, I think I'm going to wrap up this video right here. You can see the steam. I don't know if that's really SO2. I don't really smell any SO2. But it's a very interesting job site, as you can see. They're building a road over a lava flow, and that's basically Fissure 9 right there, or part of it, where that dump truck is. So yeah, I'm going to wrap it up right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that bell symbol to get notifications, subscribe. Like this video if you found it informational. Please comment, and until next time, a hooey ho.